to mix Crimson Kitty's hand-picked quarantine pretties. Say that 3 times fast. And today's episode will be a 2-part special. That is right, I'm gonna take you on a journey of flowers. I'm gonna take you on a blooming paradise journey.
Yes, I'm playing Animal Crossing a lot.
I'm gonna teach you how to make these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous flower crowns. Now, I know we're in quarantine, it's day 107 or something like that. I have lost count, but I want to give you something to inspire your day. So part 1, we'll be going over to my favorite store, Dollar Tree. Seriously, it's amazing for fake flowers. I gotta de-drag because I don't want anyone looking at me weird when I go, especially when I have to wait an hour to go in. We're gonna head over there, we're gonna get our flowers, we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you how to do this.
One hour later.
Alright, while we are waiting for our glue gun to heat up, I'm going to first go over how I made the red flower crown that you saw in the beginning and the ending of this video. It's really simple. I took a cheap $1 headband. I covered it pretty crudely, but honestly nobody's seeing this part, just to make sure it matched with the dress that I had made, and then I covered it with tons of cheap dollar store, Dollar Tree realness roses. I'm going to go over every little bit that I did. Well, starting at the end of our headband, you notice that there aren't a lot of flowers and there's 2 tiny little ones. This is because this is going to be around your ear, so you like to make it a little bit smaller so it doesn't irritate you while you're wearing it. I did it in rows, just like I'm going to show you today. So you got 1, 2,
3, 4, so forth and so forth.
That was the first row. Then I turned it around after I let it dry, just a few minutes. I did the same thing, but you can't really tell because I've stuffed so many roses in between. That's the trick. So after I did the front row, the back row, that's when you could start to play with shape. I started to put the roses here straight up, so it changes the angle and it actually fills in all the negative space. That's what we're playing with today. A lot of negative space and how to fill it up beautifully, and also with rhinestones and sparkly things. Yay! Take our flowers and start pulling off the stem. And then slowly pull them off from the stem, but also keeping the petal intact. These flowers are super, super cheap, so they will come out with no problem at all. The same thing with this. Some of these flowers have little insides, which are super cute. All right, we have our glue gun all heated up and ready to go. And what I'm gonna do is start in the middle and work my way out. So I'm gonna take this first flower and we're gonna put it directly in the middle. And sometimes you have a few ways of doing this. I actually like to face it going outwards a little bit, like this. Face it going outwards, and then I can actually build another one on the back of it and use the slope to create a little bit more structure. All right. See, we just glued it right there. Hold it down. Because there's plastic, it should give us a barrier, and we can hold it down without burning our fingers. Easy, right? Now we're gonna do the same thing. I'm going to pick a different flower this time. Again, we're gonna do the same thing. Just dollop that baby, and then we're going to glue on forward. I am being very generous with the glue, And there you go. And so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna finish this off screen and show you the first part on how to make a gorgeous flower crown. Okay, so I've made a few more flowers. You can just design any way that you want. No way is a wrong way. Just when you get to the end, you wanna use smaller flowers because this is gonna be the part that goes around your ear. Gotta be careful that you don't burn yourself. However, if you have burned yourself in the past with any kind of glue, welcome to the club. You've been inducted. This is just the start of where you can go. And you can start by putting in more flowers in the little gaps, and then you could start to build flowers in the back so you don't see any of the seams. All right, so that wraps it up for part 1. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell so we can let you know when part 2 airs. If you plan on trying this, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, please let me know as well. I'd be happy to answer anything on this channel. I just want to be here to inspire you to create something bright and beautiful, especially in these troubling pandemic times. Until next time, meow meow meow.